Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Chinita Food and Travel. I'm really excited. I'm back in Miami, my first trip after 1 year of being at home with the pandemic. So you guys know how much I love being in this beautiful city, and today I wanted to try out some really great Brazilian treats. So we're at Café Sagrado, downtown Miami, right in front of the American Airlines Arena. We have pão de queijo, which is one of my favorite things in Brazilian cuisine. And we've got a cappuccino with brigadeiro. It's like a mocha cappuccino. The brigadeiro is a chocolate sweet prepared with sweetened condensed milk and cocoa powder. It's really delicious. So it has it inside the cappuccino and all around the edges. It's so delicious. So now I'm going to try pão de queijo. In this spot, they have a variety of pão de queijo. So I'm going to show you guys, but this is the original. Really great cheesy flavor. Look at that stretch. It's kind of crunchy on the outside and fluffy in the center. It's so good. One of the special things that Café Sagrado prepares is the variations of their pão de queijo. This one is filled with requeijo, which is a Brazilian cream cheese. So I've never had it before. Oh, this is really good. Oh, that cheese is so delicious. They have other pão de queijo, which is filled with ham and cheese or cheddar and bacon. I got the caprese, which is mozzarella with tomato and basil. That's so delicious. This fusion of Italian with Brazilian is amazing. And our waitress told us that this is their best pão de queijo, and she's right. It's packed full of flavor, and on the little pão de queijo bun, amazing. We also ordered another typical entree for the coxinhas. I think that the most similar thing that I can compare this to is the Spanish ham croquettes. Really crunchy on the outside. They're breaded and fried. And this one has a chicken mince filling with cheese in the center. It's really delicious. This is so good. The carrot cake is very moist. The brigadeiro sauce is just delicious. This is like a molten chocolate cake. Today we're at Pincho factory and we're going to try the Toston burger. It's a hamburger, but the buns have been substituted by patacones, which is the fried plantain. This is just a regular cheeseburger, but with patacon buns. Let's see how it is. And it has cilantro sauce. So delicious. This is really great. You get the crispy patacones. The cilantro sauce adds a little creamy element, tomato and lettuce. The meat patty is really delicious, and it has provolone cheese. I really recommend it. Pincho factory. Guys, today we are at AUBI RAMSA. This place specializes in liquor-instilled ice cream. Each ice cream contains 1 shot of alcohol. So I got the strawberry daiquiri. Wow, this is awesome. Tastes exactly like a strawberry daiquiri with the rum. So good. So the concept of this ice cream spot, it's like a bar, but instead of your cocktail beverages, you get alcoholic ice cream. It's delicious. Okay, this is their most decadent chocolate flavor. It's the Scotch and Decadence. That's the name of it. And it's made with Scotch whiskey. Wow, this is amazing. And it has chocolate chips. Wow, this is so cool. You can taste the rum. You can you can taste the Scotch whiskey. Guys, I don't drink alcohol, so I'm a little bit confused. And I've not had breakfast, so I'm gonna get smashed on these, but but you can taste the alcohol laced in the ice cream. I love the concept of this spot because it's like a really funky modern bar. Guys, these ice creams are so good. I had to get one more tribute to Mexico. Dulce de leche with Milagro agave. Cheers to my Mexico. Wow, they did a good job. The ice cream is very rich. It's creamy, very dense. It's like a very compact ice cream. The only thing I don't like is the music's really loud. Okay, we got these little chicken coxinhas, which are like, what are they? Dalmore whiskey. Okay, this is their most decadent chocolate flavor. It's called Scotch and Decadence. It's made with whiskey. Whiskey or scotch? Scotch. Scotch whiskey.